the hills are alive, not just with snow, but with traffic jams, honking horns, and frantic tourists fleeing the smoggy plains, it seems. Himachal is bursting at the seams with over 3 lakh tourists expected this festive week. Manali's charm is now stuck in first gear. Gramfu, by the way, is the only snow spot accessible to 4x2s, and Rohtang remains off limits. The New Year cheer has clearly arrived early for local businesses in the hills. My colleague Gurpreet is tracking the snow rush and the strain. And my colleague Gurpreet also joins us live with a reality check on the tourist footfall as far as the hills are concerned. Gurpreet, honestly tell us, how bad are the traffic jams, and are authorities geared to handle this scale of tourist footfall that's expected this week?
Well, it's a challenge for the local administration, and right now we are reporting from Shimla. First of all, I'll request my vijay to show all these visuals. What we have learned from the local administration, around 8,000 to 10,000 vehicles have started coming from Christmas festival onwards. So it's a very, very challenging. And if we can talk about the tourist from Haryana, Delhi, Punjab, and from the various locations of the country, they had started coming in their own vehicles, and that is the challenge. Not only in Shimla, even in Manali also we have seen a huge traffic jam had been reported at the various locations. And in Shimla we have seen the force has already been divided in 4 to 5 sectors. We can see the police official, they are trying to manage this traffic, but yes, of course, traffic jams had been reported at the various locations. Last night we have been reporting from the Rij Maidan in Shimla, where we have seen the Christmas festival celebration were underway. We have seen the whole area was jam-packed, and specifically the tourists who are coming from the various locations of the country, they are facing problem for getting their parkings. So we have one of the hotelier with us. We will talk to him to understand that how this business is going on. तो इन दिनों में क्या जो बुकिंग है बड़ी है, क्योंकि काफी कह रहे टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं.
Right now we already have around, like last night, if you talk about the last night, we already like 100% occupancy for last night, and for the upcoming days like 27, 20, 21, we have like 70-80% occupancy. For the 31st, we already sold the occupancy around 60% right now. So people are visiting here and planning and making bookings and coming in Shimla.
We have one of the taxi operator also. We will try to understand that how much difficulty they are facing. तो लगातार कह रहे 8 से 10,000 व्हीकल डेली आना शुरू हो गए हैं क्रिसमस फेस्टिवल से पहले. कल से लगातार आ रहे हैं और न्यू ईयर तक ऐसे चलेंगे. तो कितनी की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, क्योंकि यहाँ शिमला में देखा कि पुलिस को डिवाइड किया गया है ताकि ट्रैफिक जाम ना लगे.
ठीक है, नमस्कार सर. मेरा नाम सुभाष है और मैं स्थानीय देवभूमि टैक्सी मैक्सी ऑपरेटर्स एसोसिएशन से मेंबर हूं, और मैं आप लोगों का सभी का स्वागत करता हूं. लेकिन सर, पिछले कुछ दिनों में ट्रैफिक की मैनेजमेंट काफ़ी अच्छी रही है पुलिस की, तो उसमें इन्होंने काफ़ी, हमारे एसपी साहब ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा पुलिस को तैनात किया है. लेकिन प्रतिदिन 10 से 15,000 के बीच में व्हीकल्स शिमला में एंटर कर रहे हैं. तो ऑलमोस्ट जो पार्किंग्स गवर्नमेंट द्वारा प्रोवाइड की जा रही है वो ऑलमोस्ट फुल चली हुई है, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर 60 से 70% टूरिज्म जो है हमारा जो गाड़ियाँ लेके आ रहे हैं, तो मतलब थोड़ी सड़कें तंग हैं, तो इस वजह से थोड़ा ट्रैफिक में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आती है. लेकिन चलो, फिर भी पुलिस ऐसा है कि मैनेज कर रही है.
क्योंकि बाकी जगहों पे देखा काफी ट्रैफिक जैम मिल रहे हैं. शिमला में के आसपास एंट्री पे कह रहे हैं कुछ ट्रैफिक जैम है, लेकिन लोकल इतने जैम नहीं.
उसमें ऐसा है ना सर, देखो मैनेज तो कर रहे हैं पुलिस में. उसमें ऐसा होता है कि सर ये क्या करते हैं, जैसे ही रश देखती है हमारी पुलिस.
Well, we can see that in hilly areas there is a challenge for the local administration to deal with these traffic jams, but we have seen huge number of the tourists. They have already started to the various locations in Himachal Pradesh. Back to studio.
We'll continue to track the rush and the strain with you as far as the hills are concerned. Thanks so much for joining us this morning.